Hi, I'm Comfort Umoren Olorunnisomo. I'm a second year PhD student at the School of Communication and Information Media Studies track. I am from Nigeria. My experience at Rutgers has been amazing thanks to the different offices that has provided resources and information to help me thrive as an international student. I remember when I first came to Rutgers, I did not know anybody. I didn't have any friends. And it was during the International Student Orientation in 2024, fall 2024. But when I got there, I noticed that they had students from different parts of the world. And there I met two Nigerians who were serving as orientation leaders. I got into conversation with them and they were pretty helpful in just sharing their experiences about life as an African here at Rutgers and the different places to get African food, and also like places of worship, which was pretty helpful to me. Another experience I've had that has been really, that was really helpful was at the residence life. I was living at Bill Apartments. So when my family wanted to join me, it was such short notice. It was before Christmas. And we really wanted to spend Christmas as a family. So I reached out to Residence Life. I explained my situation and they were pretty understanding and supportive and were able to help me get a flat at Marvin Family Housing, which was really helpful. Otherwise, we would have been stranded. My family would have been stranded. Thanks to them for their quick response to the situation. Also, the International Women's Organization was a place where I found community. I found other international women, other international students who were women in that place. We shared our challenges, we shared solution and experiences together because some of these women were far ahead in their program. And so they were able to share their experiences and just guide us in what and what to do, especially like enrolling the children in school, finding places to like get groceries, where to get a car, and other helpful resources. The ISS office was also very, very, very helpful and has continued to be very helpful to me, especially the QQA session where I usually once in a while drop by to ask immigration related questions, how to stay in status, OPT, and other questions related to like international students. And officers there have been really helpful and patient to listen and just share their expertise on the issue, which has really been helpful. So I am here at Rutgers. There are different offices that are willing and happy to help students find solution to their problems and even just help them thrive, not just as individuals but also as students. And so it's been a really amazing experience at the IWG with ISS and others. Thank you so much.